Scale the cube along x-axis by pressing S plus X. Shift plus A and add a new cube to this scene. G plus X to move the cube along x-axis and place the cube correctly over the long solid cuboid. Now click on the wrench icon, which is Modifier, and search Boolean Modifier. Click on Boolean Difference and click Object and pick up the cube and then apply the Boolean Modifier. Now move the cube aside by pressing G and hovering mouse and delete the unwanted cube. Now click on the video recorder icon and click on View and click on Navigation, Fly Navigation, and correctly position the camera. After that, correctly position the light in the scene and render the image and save it to your computer. Congratulations, you have made the solid correctly. A few other videos are coming very soon on Blender problems. You can subscribe to channel if you are enjoying and new to Blender like me. Thanks for watching.